Go, Donnie. I think we went too fast.
I think so. We're excited to stay here, though.
It's our first time.
You turn right here. Wait.
Self-parking, yep.
Yeah.
Into the parking garage. We've been here many a time for Sanaa, but it's our first time actually staying at the resort.
Right.
So I think you're very excited. And we do have a Savanna view, or we should anyway. So it'll be fun to just sit out on the balcony and watch the animals.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what animals
we can see.
We can see, sorry.
I got you. I was finishing your sentences for you since you're driving. Oop. Take two. There we go. Guess I didn't do it quite right. All right. So first you see coming in is the little kitchenette. We've got some storage up here with some plates, some bowls, looks like some utensils. You've got a microwave, a toaster oven, some cups, an ice bucket, and some other things you can get available upon request. Here's your sink, coffee mug. We've got a mini fridge. We did bring some water and Abel's lunch because he is going to work tomorrow. And then underneath is trash can. Moving on from welcome to my crib. From the little kitchenette, this is a connecting door. So if you are, staying with a larger family, you can get connecting rooms. This is the bathroom. It is interesting because there's a lot of doors. So the main door into the bathroom can be closed, and you can see the shower. This is what the shower curtain looks like. Very vibrant, very pretty, I think. I really like the colors of that. I'm gonna pull it back though so you guys can see. You've got the new full bottles that are attached to the wall, so they no longer put the little travel bottles that you can take with you. What I love is the tiling in here. It does go all the way around. That's really, really pretty. So pretty standard. You've got a ton of storage down here. So if you want to put your toiletries, anything like that, and as well as actual drawers where they do have a hair dryer and nothing. You've got your hand towels, face towels. There is a magnifying mirror here on the wall. That's super, super close. And looks like it does light, yes. So that's really nice if you are trying to apply makeup or skincare and you want a real nice close view of yourself. This mirror is huge. It literally takes up the entirety of the bathroom wall, which is really nice. And you have the single sink. Then in this second door, you have the bathroom. So this is nice that it is separate because you can have someone using the restroom and having the door closed for privacy, and then someone else getting ready in here or taking a shower. You also have, in addition to that huge mirror on the wall, a full-length mirror at the back of the door. So if you're wanting to check out your outfit, I am wearing an I Believe in Santa sweater with some little green corduroys because it is Christmas time. It's December 22nd, I believe. What is in here? You've got a place to hang clothes, extra pillows and blankets, an ironing board and iron, as well as a safe. Those are things we will probably not use. Then on to the bedroom itself. This is a Deluxe Studio Savanna room, just for reference. You have an armoire or a wardrobe. Very spacious. Lots of wood hangers provided. I'll put away all of our stuff after I'm done filming. You've got the bed itself, as I said. I love the tapestry behind the headboard is really nice. Over here under the TV is kind of the entertainment center. You've got 4 drawers and then a larger storage unit down there. You've got the TV itself with the different park information. You have a little seating area. I pulled out that luggage holder. It was actually tucked in right here in between the wardrobe and the entertainment center, but I pulled it out and stuck our duffel bag on there. You also have this side. Looks like these do come apart, and I'm willing to bet that that is a sleeper sofa, so that would come apart into sleeper bed if that's what you're wanting. But I'm sure you guys are most curious about the Savanna view. Now it is, what time is it? Like
6. It is 5:56.
So it is pretty much dark already. Oh, that's wet. Careful to myself. Not careful to you. Careful to myself. So not much to see in way of animals, but I can tell you.
There's a bison guy down in between all those trees.
Oh,
I do see I'm in cold.
that we'll be out here in the morning,
Yeah.
checking it out.
This was where I would park it all the time. Awesome.
It's beautiful, but it's really nice out too. It's another thing. It's not super humid or hot. Yeah, so it feels really great. But I mean, pretty spacious room, definitely for 2 adults. I am very, very pleased with it. Again, just kind of giving you one more walkthrough. Bathroom, kitchenette, and back to the door. Christmas Minnie! I was trying to show her without people. My gosh, she's so cute. Here comes another kid, so I'm gonna zoom out so we don't get that kid in the shot. Look at this tree. Holy smokes. That thing is gotta be 50 foot. It's huge. $640.
6:40, maybe it's under $80. Yeah.
Abel has his plate.
I'm ready.
He is ready. He is ready. How many are you eating, SpongeBob? All of it. All right. Looks like here at the first station we've got
Might get boba tea.
salmon, boba tie,
Good.
fufu, chocolate, and pap, which is very good. Then moving on down, you've got a carving station. So you've got pork shoulder, strip loin, as well as some toppings like horseradish, sambal, Boma mustard, and a Masai Mara. I'm probably pronouncing some of these things incorrectly, but you know. It looks like there's also chicken over there, chicken and potatoes. Looks really good. These sauces look really good. You don't want anything from the carving station then? No?
What else?
Something dropped. And right here, where we've kind of stopped, is that's a place for the cast members to go in and out. So it gets a little congested right there. Yeah, you've got tamarind barbecue sauce to go with your chicken and mashed potatoes.
I'm excited. Ready to eat this. Eat this fat boy on the tamarind.
A little bit of barbecue. Okay. That's fancy.
One for the haters.
Oh, for the love. See, this is where they come out, so that's why it gets a little congested right there. There's more plates, so because I think you can kind of like come in at different points of the buffet. This is the vegetable section, so you've got some collard greens, asparagus, Zulu cabbage, and something with spinach, couscous with spinach. That's nice. Do you want anything healthy, baby?
Is that the rice
Asparagus?
that we usually get? It was really good.
No. One we get is the coconut rice, I think.
Is it here?
It should be. But you can try that rice, babe. It looks good. Yeah, I don't think that's it, though. But they've got nice asparagus. You want to try the couscous? Have you had couscous?
Ah, it's good.
You gotta fill that plate.
Oh yeah, usually I do the opposite. I do not a lot, so I don't fill this back.
Oh goodness, it's a buffet.
Exactly.
Just try a little bit. I think you'll like couscous. This is the kids station. I like the kids station.
I know, I love
You have
these.
little corn dog nuggets, mac and cheese, and then some penne pasta with meatballs, as well as some peas and carrots. I feel like I'm gonna get everything on this station.
Right?
I come to Boma and I get the kids food.
And then meatballs.
Yeah, that looks good, babe. Oh, you're gonna get it without the pasta?
Yeah.
Oh,
the
okay.
meatballs.
Okay.
Oh, they do have a rice.
Yeah, I know. There's a coconut rice here that we get every time we've done Boma dinner. Your plate's full already? No, you can get a little rice on there. You took up so much room for your barbecue sauce.
It's gonna make
Get a little bowl to put your rice in. Yeah, see this one right here. The basmati rice. I believe that's the one that's got the coconut in it. They have oxtail stew, butternut squash soup, sambal chicken corn chowder, and the curried coconut seafood stew. You can't have that, honey. You're allergic to the seafood. You're gonna head out?
my head out.
Okay, head out.
Boom.
I'm gonna check out what's over here while you head out. We also have some cold things, watermelon salad, avocado, papaya, and grapefruit salad, coleslaw, and a pasta salad. More salads, cucumber salad, spinach and quinoa, roasted eggplant and tomato, North African cauliflower, couscous, and chicken salad with chili. Here's a build your own salad station as well. We've got over here, I'm gonna pass the line a little bit. Here on this side is just fruit. And then this is where we start to get into the bakery items. So you can see like cornbreads, this is all desserts. So you've got little coconut, mango, chocolate tarts, zebra domes, and little cheesecakes, cupcakes, as well as a whole bunch of cookies. And this is shaped like a Mickey head, so cute. There you go, you can kind of see it. All right, let me get myself a plate. cool to see all the people on their balconies. You can kind of like people watch and animal watch. There's 1, 2 families on this side, and 1, 2, 3 families on that side. Everyone's watching the animals. It's very cool.